One of the things that I noticed was that my hands are starting to chafe with all of the paper mache and even the home repair projects that I've been doing. And so I wanted this year to create a handmade lotion bar. Now I did take it from someone's YouTube channel, which I will link down in the description box, but it's going to be only 3 ingredients. So if you want to see how I create this lotion bar, keep on watching. So guys, for this year, my goal is to actually take better care of my hands. So I found a channel that shows me how to make handmade lotion bars. And that's what I'm going to do now. I did find a better recipe. I'll link the lady's YouTube channel in the description box. But this one is a simpler one with ingredients that one would already have. Because we're doing paper mache or any crafts, our hands are always in the water. My hand always gets chafe right here. And it takes a while for it to come off, so I'm trying to figure out how I can condition it, keep it nice and moist. And it's oils that I'm able to put in the paper mache, and it's not going to distort it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. The recipe calls for cocoa butter and olive oil, but what I have is shea butter, and then I do have the beeswax. And I'm using, I think this is avocado oil instead of olive oil. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna get a weight scale. If you don't know how to use a weight scale, you turn it on. Now it shouldn't come up 0. Okay, so you should put your beaker on here. Your beaker should measure the amount, and then you should press reset and it should go to 0. So now it's telling you the exact amount that you're actually putting in. So it's going to be 50 grams of the shea butter. And what I like about her recipes is they're small recipes, so I'm able to test it out opposed to a big lump sum. I think this might be too much. Oh, 50 exactly, yay. Okay. And then we're going to do 16 grams of the beeswax. 16 grams of beeswax, 33 grams of the avocado oil. Now what I should have done was researched the differences between the avocado oil and the olive oil, because she has extra virgin olive oil. Okay, I went and I switched it. Now this is our cooking oil, the extra virgin olive oil. I normally don't mix my cooking oil with what I'm doing, but I just realized that I should have checked it first. So this is going to be 33 grams. So now once you've gotten all your ingredients, we're just going to turn off our scale. Now you have all your ingredients. What we're going to do is I'm going to actually melt these 2 in a double boiler first, and then I'm going to transport I think I'll melt them separately, and then I'll go from there. So put it in a double boiler. A double boiler is when you have 1 pot containing water and then another pot inside where you're able to boil down and reduce your stuff. Okay, and there's your double boiler, and you're just going to put these in, and you're going to let them reduce down. Put the oven on, put the heat on. So guys, you put all the waxes together. I wasn't really paying attention, so I'm just going to pour these in. So you're going to just stir this around. Now her recipe doesn't call for the cornstarch, but if you want to make it less oily, you can add cornstarch in. Make sure that it's all mixed up. And we're going to pour it inside our molds. Make sure it's a silicone mold so you're able to get it out. But then also you need to have something sturdy underneath it so that when you lift up your liquid, it doesn't run all over the place. So if you have a wooden plank, use that at the bottom. To be one of the first to view my videos, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you know when I upload the video every Tuesday. So we've finished our bars, we've let them harden. I have let them harden for a couple of days. Now to take them out of the silicone mold, all you have to do is just pop it out, which is nice. With these lotion bars, I like them, they are oily. Now you can put cornstarch in it or arrowroot to reduce down the oil, but I think these would be perfect after I wash my hands. So once I'm creating something and I wash my hands, I can still just use the bar, and it's oily and my chafing here is reduced down. Or after you take a shower, I like to, in the summertime or when it's really dry, douse my body down with some kind of oil, even if it's baby oil. And this is really good. So after I come out of the shower, I did use it. It still melts easy, and it's a good bar just to use, and it's cheap, it's easy. Remember, there's no preservatives in here, antifungal and stuff like that, and you really need that. So try and make your bars small so that you have one-time use. You can keep them in the refrigerator or in a sealed container, but make sure that you're not keeping them no longer than a month. If you wanted to show me any of your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me, and I also have my Facebook page where you can upload different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you know how to make the handmade lotion bar, you can check out this video next on my monthly reset checklist. If you like this week's video, hit that like button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and share the content with your family and friends. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a fabulous week. Take care.